Time to see what came in the mail. All I need is my trimmers. A few of these things are for the grow, so I just wanted to make sure I went through everything. This says tips, right? The only word I can read in the dark. My filters, or yeah, for the press. This just, I think this is my hair and makeup stuff. Never mind, it's not for the grow. Well, sort of. All right, how I look, somewhat important. Here, this is my mold. Now, 1, 2, 3, fat buds. I still haven't found or gotten a round mold, and it looks like I'm not gonna be able to get into this box too easily. Wow. All protected. Here's the bottom piece. Wow, I love these. I love these so much. Oh! It was all protected. So you put it in there and put this in, and then you can squish. Okay, what is this? I see a spray bottle top. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Crop control. Trifecta. And it comes with a spray top. I just left my scissors in there. This thing has already dropped 3 times since I opened it. Now this is supposed to protect me from powdery mildew. I don't have enough light to know more. Next box. It's a small seedling starter kit. And silica. Oh, this is a little one. Okay, this is a little. Oh, I hope I don't need that much because it's in such a small container. Maybe it's condensed. Add 1 teaspoon per quart. 1 teaspoon per 32 ounces of water. I think it is condensed. I think that is, yeah. Never had this kind before. Where I could read more. Crop control. Apply trifecta. Crop control ready to use to by thoroughly wetting the plants until foliage is dripping, including the underside of the leaves and the surface of the growing medium. Should be applied every other day up to 3 times per week. Apply crop control at the end of a light cycle or just before dusk to prevent foliar damage. I guess it would be damaged in the sun. Oh, treatment and prevention for problem mites, aphids, thrips, whiteflies, downy and powdery mildew. So it's the bugs and mildew. That's great. That's what I need. These are multiple. Okay, multiple. 2, 4, 6. Okay. I think I thought this was hard plastic, like very reusable. These look reusable, but they're not gonna last forever. I don't know. Maybe I'll end up loving this. It's just almost like simple. It's so simple, yet that perfectly does the trick. And look how tall they can get. You know, this is probably good for clones. 6 of these. Oh, and there's even more. It came with wheels. It came with lights. Oh my gosh, these little lights. Are these lights? With a charger? Little instructions that look pretty thorough. Little tool. Another little tool. It came with everything. So 6 of these, and then it came with all this stuff, including these cute little lights. Yeah. Okay, this This company, I think I did hear from 123 Fat Buds. 6 to 7 inches, aluminum. Ooh, it's cold. See, there's an inscription. That's a 1 of 1. That plate is so cool. I can keep it anywhere and it looks good while I am waiting for my press machine to arrive. All right, these are very flimsy. Oh, they could break in 2 seconds. I'm gonna destroy these. But these are not. These are pretty sturdy, actually. But this is very not. Little clone houses. That was fun. That's everything for tonight. Plants are in the dark, so I can't show anything till tomorrow. See ya.